Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important topic of HTML, that is HTML media or multimedia. Okay, so mainly we are going to see how we can use media on a HTML web page. Now there might be different kind of medias, right? We have video, we have audio, graphics and many other things, right? So how we can embed the video in the web page. So this is our first thing. Like I have divided all these media related topics into multiple sessions, and for today we are going to talk about the video part, like how we can include the video in a HTML web page. Okay, so we will start from the very basic. Like I'll explain you what all tags we are supposed to use in order to add a video on a web page, what all attributes we can use, and what are the benefits of using those tags and attribute. Clear? And I'll show you one example where I will show you like how we are utilizing the video on a web page. But before we start the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. But for time being, we are just focusing on the video part, but prior to that we have covered many other basic HTML topics. Okay, alright, so now we can see the code. The code is quite straightforward. We have just created one simple web page where we have title in the head section and one heading showing HTML by Sharmit. Apart from this, we have few comment line which is showing the presenter name, topic name and one short note. Okay, and along with this, as usual, like I'm going to share today's question, and today's question is, why do we use pre-tag and what are the benefit of pre-tag? So this thing I have already covered, so I hope like you all know the answer of this thing, and you can share the answer in the comment section. In case if you have any doubt and if you don't know what is the meaning of pre-tag, then what you can do, you can refer the previous session where we have already discussed this topic in detail. And then after learning from there, you can share your knowledge in the comment section. And one more thing, like I'm going to take like all those names who are providing the consistent correct answer either through YouTube comments or emails, and they will be spotlighted in the upcoming opportunities. Clear? Okay, so I think now we are good to start the program. So here if I show you the code, it's a basic code, and if I refresh the web browser, so it is showing the name like this, HTML by Sharmit. This is a heading. Clear? Okay, so let's see how we can add the video. So prior to that, I will add one heading tag here, video in HTML. Now you can save it and refresh it. So it is coming like this, video in HTML. Now what we will do, the requirement is that we want to include one video here. Okay, so for that we will use the tag video tag. In video tag we are supposed to use source tag. So what basically video is doing, video is telling the browser that we are going to embed one video here. Then we have source tag, which we use in order to set the source, like from where to pick the video. Okay, so in source tag we will use src, which will help us to decide which video to be taken for the media. Like right now if I save it and refresh it, it is coming nothing. Here is nothing is coming, right? So to provide the video name, we first very important thing, like if you want to show some video on the web page, then keep that video in a same directory or same folder where your main source resides. Clear? Okay, so here we will write the name of the video. So in my case, I have one video with the name podcast.mp4. So I will directly select this video from here, and then if I save it and refresh my browser, so you can see a long video is coming here. So is it video or picture? Yes, it looks like a picture, but no, it's actually a video. But right now there is no control option. Okay, so I'll tell you like how we can add the control option, but also you have I think you notice that this video is coming in the very large width, right? This does not look good. So to make it proper, we will add another attribute here, which is width, and make it as maybe 600 pixels. Then you can save it and refresh. So now it looks good, right? It is coming, but still it is looking like a picture. not a video, because there is no button for play, and even clicking on here it is doing nothing because we have not set the control options yet. Okay, so let's add the controls option. So to add the controls, you can simply write here controls and then just save it and refresh it. So after a refresh, you will find that there is one button for play and pause. So if I click on this button, the video is started, right? Similarly, we have audio button, audio scroller here. So from here you can raise the volume or decrease the volume as per your need. Similarly, we have, let me pause it. I'm not sure if you are getting this audio or not, but yeah, actually on my system it is getting played. And here we have zoom option, so we can zoom this thing and we can after the zoom as well. Okay, likewise we have this 3 dot, let me pause it. Other than this, we have 3 dots where we can set the play speed, picture in PIP mode, picture in picture, right? So these all controls we have got the help of controls attribute. So this is one of the best or most important attribute of video tag, because after using this only we can use the controls on a web page video. Otherwise it was looking like a normal picture, right? But it is actually a video, so we just provided a controls option so that user can use those options. So are these the only tags or attribute that we are supposed to use here? No, not like that. You can also use width here. Width we have already applied. We can use height here, or as per your requirement. Like, as we all know that for each tag there are multiple attributes. So as per your requirement, you can provide anything here. Clear? But for now, I'm just showing you width. In fact, like if you want to see height part, but these are the basic thing, right? You know that. Apart from this, we will just talk on the new things. Okay, width, height, these things we'll already know. I just said width here because I want to show in like this area. Okay, now if we talk about source tag, then yes, we have another attribute which is called type. Now why do we need this type attribute? Just to show the type of the media and the format of the media. Okay, so video here I will write, and type would be MP4. Okay, so what it will do, it will tell the browser that the type of the media is video and the extension of the video is MP4. It is in MP4 format. Remember one thing, always use those videos which are present on your in the same directory where your code resides. Okay, otherwise you might feel that yes, it is not getting embedded. Now next thing is, like, these are the basic HTML video related elements and tags and tags, elements and attribute. Now some of you might have seen that in video tag developers are using multiple sources. So what is the reason of that? The reason is that, let's say if due to any reason one of your format is not working properly, maybe any issue or any technical glitch, so it is not working, right? So in such situation, we can provide an alternative way for the browser to play the video. So let's say we have two types of format, although in my system there is no format for WebM, but still I'm just showing you the example. So suppose two types of video, one is in MP4 format and another is WebM format. So what I can do, I can provide both options. In case if the first video is not playing, so it will directly go to the second video by looking at the second source. And likewise, if you have many other formats, so we can provide all those formats under this video tag. Clear? So I think now this part is clear, that how we can use source element to add or attach the video on a page. Now another very important thing is this video, or we can simply write these videos are not supported. So in case if this is called a fallback text. So in case if none of the video is getting populated, so in that case it will just show this message, these videos are not supported. Clear? So in case of error, this message will be displayed. Okay, now I suggest you to please try by your own, because these are the things that we can learn practically. So just try to include one video in your directory. You can create a small video, or you can download the small video and keep it in the your own directory. Okay, this will help you to understand like how we can embed the video. Clear? And now I request you to please do share your knowledge for the today's question. And the question is, why do we use pre-tag in HTML or pre-element in the HTML? So yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.